Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling something every Forex or CFD trader needs to know how to do, calculating pips right on TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to quickly measure pip values on your charts using a couple of easy tools. Whether you're completely new to TradingView or just looking for a faster way to track your trades, you're in the right place. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the measure tool. If you haven't used it before, think of it as a digital ruler for your price chart. To find it, look over in the toolbar on the left side of your TradingView window. The icon looks like a small ruler. Go ahead and click on that. Now with the measure tool selected, click anywhere on your chart where you want to start calculating pips. Don't let go just yet. Hold your mouse button and drag the cursor to the second point, the price level you want to compare. You can drag up or down depending on whether you want to measure a potential profit or loss, for example. Once you let go, have a look over at the right side corner of your chart. There, you'll see the pip value pop up neatly, along with some other info like the percentage change and the total price difference. This step is incredibly useful when you want a quick answer, like how many pips did price move during this news event, or what's the distance between this support and resistance. It's instant feedback, kind of like measuring how long a piece of wood is before you cut it, except here it's the price movement we're sizing up. Next, let's check out the price range tool. You'll find this in the same toolbox on the left, usually showing as a small icon with two arrows, one pointing up, one down. Click on that and just like with the measure tool, click at your starting price and drag to your ending price. When you let go, the pip distance is displayed, once again, over in the right side corner. So what's the difference between the measure tool and the price range tool? Not much in terms of outcome, both show you pips, but the price range tool specifically highlights the price movement between 2 points with a shaded bar, making it easier to visualize the range. I like to use this when mapping out trades to quickly compare the distance between recent highs and lows or to check the size of a potential breakout. If you're a visual learner, this tool really helps the pip movement jump off the chart. Now let's talk about the short position tool. This is especially handy if you're planning to enter a short trade and you want to plot out things like your entry, stop loss, and take profit. After selecting this tool, look for the icon that looks like a little red arrow pointing down. Click where you'd open your trade. Instantly, you'll see a sort of box overlay on your chart, divided into red and green sections. Here's the key. In the middle of that short position box, there's a number. This shows you the pip risk or pip gain depending on how you adjust your entry, stop, and target. You can easily drag the lines to set your levels precisely. This is fantastic because it automatically does the math for you as you adjust. For example, if my stop loss is here, how many pips am I risking? It's quick, visual, and takes all the guesswork out of setting responsible trading parameters. And just a quick tip, don't worry if it takes a couple tries to get comfortable with these tools. Practice makes perfect, and soon, pip calculations on your charts will feel absolutely second nature. So that covers 3 super efficient ways to calculate pips directly on TradingView, using the measure tool, the price range tool, and the short position tool. Each has its own little benefits, and with a bit of practice, you'll never be stuck doing manual pip calculations again. If this tutorial helped clear things up for you, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Got any questions or want to see more TradingView tips? Drop them in the comments below. I read everyone and I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more trading tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.